नमस्कार, जय गुरुदेव। आज हम लोग टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द माइंड and the present moment. So let's see how. So here there are two tracks, two parallel tracks, like you can say them railway tracks. So here there are two people, right? So one person is this side and one person is this side. Okay, now suppose their hands stretch and they meet and then they start the journey. This person, let's call it as the present moment, and this person, let's call as the mind. Now they hold the hands and they're going forward. They reach certain point. At this point, suddenly a desire comes. A wave of desire comes, propels it, and the handhold gets broken. This person jumps here. Now suddenly he feels uneasy. Why? Because the hand it was holding all that time got broken at this point. Why? Because a desire or an aspiration for the future came, and then it jumped forward, and then here it got anxious and confused, not sure where he was, what he was doing. Somehow it again comes back to a point where it is again in line with the present moment. And then it is fine. At this point, what happens? Some other thought or desire comes which throws him back in time. So again, it remains confused, feels guilty. There are a lot of regrets. So when you go past, you have these emotions coming up. When you go in the future, you have these emotions coming up. And when you are with the present moment, you are happy and blissful. So these are the qualities when you handhold the present moment. So it's something like, you're looking like this. So if you're facing this side, you will only face this side. So this is the quality of your awareness. Your awareness can only look at one side. So if it is looking at this side, you are happy and blissful. But if you're looking at this side, you are anxious and you are scared about the future and past, the regrets of glorifying the past. So this is what is happening constantly. And if it happens at a very fast pace, for example, the rate of thoughts is very high of past and future, then it causes a stress on your nervous system. That means there is such a big load on your system which you are creating constantly by flipping back and forth. So you're looking left and right. So it's see, if I have to look at you, it's easy for me. Now, if I have to look here, then look at you. Look here, look here. That too at this point, which is phenomenal. It is more than the speed of light. Are you getting what I'm saying? So why and how can we get back to the present moment? By doing Sudarshan Kriya. Sudarshan Kriya will bring your awareness to the present moment. It will tell you what it is. It will give you a glimpse of it again and again and again. This has to be repeated, right? And second thing is to do the meditation, Sahaj Samadhi meditation. So these two techniques can bring your awareness to the present moment, and it has to be done again and again because every day is new. The challenges of every day are different. So are you getting what I'm saying? Why it is important to shake hands with the present moment and not leave it at any point of time in your life. Okay. So how was it? Did you like it? Enjoyed it? Bye.